Hello friends, today we discuss about what are the keywords we have in C and what those keywords and what is the use of those keywords we will check here. So in C language we have in C language we have how many keywords? 32 keywords we have. How many? 32 keywords we have. In the 32 keywords we can use some of keywords as related to data type, some of keywords related to use as a data type, some of keywords related to use as conditional statement, conditional statement and conditional statements and conditional loops. Conditional loops. Okay. Next, the last one is an A. Last one is an A. Storage classes. Storage classes in C. Okay. So after that operators. Operators. Like that we have an A. These 32 keywords we used in different areas like in a data types, conditional statements and conditional loops, storage classes and operators. So like that we will use these keywords, these type of keywords in C. Okay, what are those keywords? What those 32 we will see here. For example, for an integer, for data types, we have a data types we have in C. So int is a data type, char is a data type, float is a data type, and double. So these are the major 4 data. Along with these 4, we have another 4 data types also we have. Those are short, long, signed, and unsigned. Okay, like that we have total 8. So and we will use another thing we can use like whenever we go for writing a main function, most of the cases we will write void, nothing but this is also one of the data type, nothing written data type, and these all are predefined data types. In C programming we have two types of major data types we have. One is predefined data type, another one is user defined data. Okay, so in user defined data type we consider in user defined data type we consider structure, nothing but struct union struct union and struct union, and we have enum. Enum is also one of the data type. Enum. Enum. So like that we have a data type. So these are the data types we have in a C. Okay. So and next one, conditional statements and conditional loops. So generally here we are using conditional statement as if conditional statement. If is a one of the conditional statement, and next one is if else. In that already we use if, so then another keyword is else. So after that, if else, next else if nested if and else if ladder, we don't have any keywords. Already these things if and else we have. Na? So next one is in a switch. In that switch we can take cases. So in that case we can take, if you want to break that case, you can use as a break keyword. Break. Next, if you want to continue that, you can use continue. can use continue. So like that we have a different keywords we have. What are the keywords we have? If, else, if, else, switch, case, break, and continue. Continue. Next one is go to, go to, go to. And another one is default. The last case we can go with default. Default. Next, if you want to go with a name, return the value, you can go with a return. Go with return. So like that we have these things we have, and these are the conditional statements. In that conditional loops we have some of keywords. We have in a conditional loops we have a 3. Those are do while and for. So in this do while we can consider do, and from while we can consider while, and another one is for. So like that these are the conditional statements and conditional loops keywords we are using in C programming. And another one is a storage classes. Storage classes. Auto is the one of the storage classes. Storage class name. And another one is register. Register. Another one is type def. Type def. Next one is type def. Volatile. Volatile. Next one is what is that? Volatile. Volatile. Next one is auto, register, type def, volatile. Next, const. If you want to represent constant value, you can go with use a const. And next one, static. Static. Sorry, we don't have any static. We have a final. Final. And the next one is we will see next what we have we will consider. And operators, we have one operator is that size of. Size of is also a keyword. It is an operator. So total how many we go? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in data types we have 12, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is also 12. So 12. Total 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1. 7. 24 plus 7. Nothing but 31. We missed 1. What is that? To register, type def, volatile, extern. Yeah. So last one is extern. Extern. So these are the keywords we haven't. These are the 7, and this is the 1. Total 32 keywords we can easily remember. So we can easily remember approximately 25 to 30 we can easily remember, and the rest of the things we can we need to remember mandatory like easily. Daily we can use data types, conditional statements and conditional loops and operators. So some of cases we can go with an auto, register, type def, volatile, const, final, extern. These are the only limited time we can use this. So these categorization, but in other like in websites like all those things will provide in a alphabet manner. Like A, we have A any type. We don't. We have a auto is a A. So they will give it an alphabet wise. A indicated for auto, B indicated for we don't we have a break. C indicated for care, case, continue, const. So these are the things they consider. Like that, we remember is very complicated. So this is the way we can easily remember. So that is the reason I can go with these four scenarios. So all data types except array, we can take all the data types in C. Int, char, float, double, short, long, signed, unsigned, void, struct, union, and enum. So these are the data types we have available in C. Okay. Next, conditional statements and conditionals. Regularly we use these all those things. If, else, switch, case, break, continue, go to, default, return, do, while, for. So these are the regularly using things. And operators, we have a size of operator. We have a lot of operators, but in that all operators are represented in a symbolic representation, but these one operator will represent as a keyword related. So storage classes, we have auto, register, type, def, volatile, const, final, and external. So total, how many? 32 keywords we have in a C programming. So by using these keywords, internally it will call some of functions. Internally it will call some of functions and do the operation inside. Okay. These keywords is nothing but shortcut word for writing a large scale of code. For an example, how can you can allocate? How can the system will allocate 2 bytes of memory for an integer? If you use int keyword, then only automatically the memory will allocate 2 bytes. How it will be possible? So because of internally we have a function for an int keyword that will call the shortcut. Int shortcut keyword will call some function like an integer function internally. So that integer function will do the process which type of operating system you are using. So if that operating system is related to 32 bit, it will allocate a 2 bytes of memory. If the operating system is belongs to 64 bit, it will allocate 4 bytes of memory. So like that it will be check internally the function, and it will given a memory allocation process. So then it will be allocated memory. So like that all the keywords will use internally like some of functioning protocol. So this is the way we have a 32 keywords. Okay, fine. So after these 32 keywords, we can go with an operators. What are the operators we have in C? We will see step by step. For example, so what is the use of operators and what we can go with operators? Operators. So generally operators is nothing but some of operations we need to do, some of operations, some of things we need to do, like combining something and do multiplication and do subtraction, and we can compare with one thing to another thing. So a lot of things we can check with the help of operators. Nothing but some of operations we can do with the help of these notations. Those entire thing we call it as an operator. So the entire thing we call it as an operator. So how many operators we have in C? In generally, I can go with 7 operators we have in a C. How many? 7 operators. So 7 operators are, so the first one is arithmetic operator. One is what? Arithmetic operator. So total how many operators we have? 7 operators we have. So here first one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Okay. Next one. So relational operator. Relational operator. Next one is logical operator. Logical operator. Next one is assignment operator. Assignment operator. Next one is logical operator. Logical operator. Next one is bitwise. Bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. Next one is special operator. Special operator. So like that we have an 7 operators we have in a C programming. So what are these operators and how we will use these operators in programmatically, we will see in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you are interested my videos, please subscribe my channel and please share my videos, like and comment below.